It's easy to set up and connect the IQ EV Charger 2 using the Enphase Installer app. Commissioning takes less than 3 minutes once installed. Here's how to get started. Simply log in to the Enphase Installer app using Enphase credentials. Select the site where the EV charger is installed and verify the site and device details. To add an IQ EV charger to a home without an existing Enphase system, create a new site. Click on Add System. Add system details and enter the details. Click Add Devices and select IQ EV Charger 2. Let's commission the IQ EV charger in 5 easy steps. Scan the QR code located inside or on the bottom of the IQ EV Charger 2, or manually enter the serial number and verify your charger. As the charger connects via Bluetooth, keep your phone close to the device. Name your charger and set the maximum allowed charging current for the charger. The charging current can be adjusted from 6 amps with the maximum limit determined by the SKU. To complete the setup, connect the charger to internet via cellular, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. If a SIM card is present and activated, the charger will first attempt to connect using cellular. If the SIM is unavailable or fails to connect, it will automatically try to connect via Wi-Fi. For best reliability, we recommend configuring Wi-Fi alongside cellular. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the provisioning process to be complete and for the charger to connect to the Enphase cloud. Once the provisioning is done, enable local green charging to maximize the performance of the EV charger. To set up local green charging, connect IQ EV charger to gateway. The IQ EV charger and IQ gateway must be connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet. With your IQ EV Charger 2 installed, you get more than just a charge. You get smart, seamless energy management, right from the Enphase app.